What's up guys, Biker Dave here. This is a 2010 Toyota Matrix, but this fail I'm about to show you will apply to many different Toyotas. Especially 2009 and up on the Matrix models and possibly the Corolla models. The armrest material, this is, now mind you, I've already had this replaced by a professional upholsterer. Even that would not stay. They sprayed industrial adhesive on it that usually holds any kind of material in place, but whatever the stupid backboard is, you know, this, whatever that is made of, nothing will stick to it. And yeah, very frustrating. I even tried, it's like construction adhesive, and all it did was make a mess. So for those of you suffering with the same issue, whatever this fiber material is, that is the actual armrest structure, it sucks because nothing will stick to it. The only fix is to replace the entire door panel, which I have now done. You have to get lucky and find a good set on eBay or at your local, junkyard or pull apart place or whatever. But this usually is just a horrific mess on these cars. And that is a total fail on Toyota's end, even though the car is good. It's a good driving car, reliable and whatnot. But that one thing makes this car just stupid. So your door panels are basically worthless, unless you want to try and create something out of fiberglass, and you probably spend $300 trying to make something to fit. But yeah, whatever that crap is right there, nothing will stick to it, even with professional attention, and a professional upholsterer could not make it work. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that it's not your fault if yours is in bad shape like you see this one. Unfortunately, you have no choice but to replace the entire door panel with a good one. And make sure you look at the subscription, or the description of this video. We got tons of other stuff relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, all kinds of stuff. 1,500 plus videos. And look at our eBay store, Amazon store. The links are in the description as well. And we got more about this car. Just look for the thumbnail to pop up right now. You'll have a great day. We'll see you all later.